So I did a new install of Pro Tools on a Windows 10 computer. I was trying to do a post-production project and it had video in it. When I tried to open the project, it gave me this error message that said, the Avid Video Engine is not installed. You may run the standalone installer in the following location. And then it gives me a place to look for the installer. And this is called Avid Video Engine setup.exe. I'm just going to click OK, and then Pro Tools is going to open and it will work as long as I don't use video. So I'm going to quit Pro Tools, and then I'm going to do a search on my computer, click the Documents tab, go to this PC, and then just search for Avid Video Engine. This process on my computer took a little while, but it produced the results I was looking for, and the second one is the one that I was going to choose. So I clicked on it. It gave me this setup file. When you double click this, it's going to open up a standard installer. It may say that Avid Video Engine wants to modify your system. Is that okay? Just click yes. And then just click next, read and accept the license terms, and then hit install. This takes a little while, longer than it does in this video. And then just click finish when you're done. When we open Pro Tools, we don't get an error when it does its diagnostics. If we open up a project that has video in it, it's going to automatically launch the video engine. And that process takes a little while. But then when you play, you should have video, and video should play back just fine. If you wanted to do this manually, go to the Setup menu and then go to Playback Engine. And then right there in the middle, you have a little checkbox that says Video Engine. And as long as that is checked, it should play back with no issues.